Imagine turning small, boring habits into a money machine. That's the power of ETFs, simple baskets of investments you can buy like a stock. Stick with me until the end for a clear starter plan and a quick checklist you can use today. You don't need to outsmart Wall Street. You need a plan you can keep. ETFs help because they bundle many holdings into one share, trade all day, and usually have low ongoing fees. Think of an ETF like a supermarket basket. Instead of guessing one perfect apple, you grab the whole fruit section and go. Strategy 1. Dollar cost averaging. Pick a fixed amount, invest it automatically every month, and stop timing the market. Some months you'll buy more shares, some months fewer. Over time, you smooth out the bumps and keep emotions out. It's like switching your finances to autopilot so storms don't knock you off course. Strategy 2. Smart asset allocation. Your mix of stock ETFs and bond ETFs is your shock absorber. Early in your journey, a stock-heavier mix can make sense. As major life goals get closer, home, family, retirement, add more bonds to steady the ride. Picture a seesaw. More stocks for growth, more bonds for stability. The right balance is the one you can sleep with. Strategy 3. Core and satellite. Make your core a broad, low-cost index ETF that tracks a large market. That's your foundation. Then, add small satellites around it, maybe a global bond ETF for ballast or a small slice of a sector you understand. The core does most of the heavy lifting. Satellites let you tilt without betting the farm. Strategy 4. Rebalance on a schedule. Once or twice a year, check your mix. If stocks ran ahead and now outweigh your plan, trim a little and top up bonds. You're not predicting the future, you're just nudging back to target. Like steering on a highway, small, regular corrections keep you in your lane. Strategy 5. Know what to avoid. Leveraged and inverse ETFs are built for short-term professional use and can behave in unexpected ways if you hold them too long. Short selling can also magnify losses. Beginners don't need any of that to succeed. Keep it plain vanilla, transparent, and low cost. Always read the fact sheet and prospectus so you know what's inside and what it costs. Strategy 6. Use sectors and themes sparingly. Rotating into hot areas can feel exciting, but exciting is not a plan. If you do it, cap it as a small satellite and set exit rules. Short-term swing or seasonal ideas belong in this tiny, rules-based bucket, not in your core. The market cycle turns, and whole industries can lag for years. That's why the core is your anchor. Strategy 7. Protect your downside with behavior, not predictions. The most reliable hedge for beginners is a calm, rules-based process. An emergency fund, a diversified mix, automatic contributions, and rebalancing. You can also use a simple stop loss on a trading position, but for long-term investing, discipline beats drama. A quick example. Alex is 27 and invests 150 euros a month into a total market ETF as the core, plus 50 euros into a bond ETF. By 32, with a home purchase coming, Alex shifts to a more balanced mix. The routine never changes. Contribute automatically, review twice a year, rebalance when off target. Simple, repeatable, boring, in the best way. Here's your starter plan. 1. Choose a broad, low-cost index ETF for your core. 2. Set an automatic monthly amount you can stick with, even in a bad month. 3. Pick a target mix of stocks and bonds that matches your risk tolerance and timeline. 4. Add at most 1 or 2 small satellites you truly understand. 5. Rebalance on your birthday and ignore headlines in between. 6. Keep fees low, avoid complexity, and read the product documents. 7. Track progress quarterly, not daily. Before you go, here's the 60-second checklist. Do I have an emergency fund? Do I know my core ETF, its index, and its annual fee? Is my monthly contribution automated? What's my target stock bond mix and my rebalance date? Are satellites capped and rules-based? Do I understand the risks? If you can say yes across the board, you're already ahead of most investors. Just a heads up, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all for information only. Explore more tips on money and investing at MoneyNova's website. You don't have to predict the market to build wealth. Start today, make it automatic, and let time do the heavy lifting.